What does it mean to be a computer science engineer today? For decades, the answer was simple. You learned programming languages, wrote code line by line, and built software piece by piece. But something fundamental is changing. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a collaborator, a problem solver, and in many cases, a decision maker. And this change isn't coming tomorrow. It's already happening. According to an article in the Times of India, 67% of engineers say AI is already changing their job roles, and 85% believe upskilling is now essential. To stay relevant in the industry, this is not hype. This is reality. Tasks that once defined entry-level software engineering, writing repetitive code, manual testing, debugging boilerplate logic, are increasingly being handled by AI tools, and for solving complex problems that AI alone cannot. They're valued for thinking. Engineers today are no longer valued just for typing code, for designing systems. So if the role is changing, what skills will matter in the future? An article in the Times of India, citing Gartner research, states that by 2027, nearly 8% of software engineers will need to upskill just to remain employable in an AI-driven world. That's a massive shift, and it tells us one thing clearly: traditional engineering skills alone are no longer enough. According to a Great Learning Survey reported by the Indian Express, engineers are actively upskilling in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Within AI, skills like generative AI, Python, and natural language processing are growing the fastest. But this shift is not just about learning new tools. It's about learning how to work with AI, how to guide it, validate it, and apply it to real-world problems. The future engineer is not someone who competes with AI. It's someone who controls, integrates, and leverages AI effectively. So what should you do? If you're planning a career in computer science, build strong fundamentals, but layer them with AI and machine learning skills. Focus on real projects, not just theory. Your portfolio matters more than ever. Be part of the ecosystem, open source, hackathons, communities, collaboration, and seek internships and mentorships early. Because context beats classroom learning, computer science engineering is not dying, but the old definition of the job is fading. AI will replace repetitive tasks, but it will amplify engineers who know how to use it well. And if you're willing to learn, adapt, and evolve, computer science can still be one of the most powerful careers of the future.